To see which traffic sources drive the most views, click onto your YouTube channel. I'm logged into this one. So you then go down to YouTube Studio. From there on, you go into Analytics on the left. And here you go to Advanced Mode. From here, you change this to 365 days or lifetime, just to see how your views are going. Click on the traffic source just here, go down, and then click this blue button, average percentage viewed. And there you can see which traffic sources are bringing the most views, and also which traffic sources are keeping your audience watching longest with a percentage viewed. So there you go, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.